You guys just love to see me take speakers apart, so today this is exactly what we are doing. I have nothing else to say, just enjoy and we will see us in the next one.
Try to fight it, so I drink it down till my body learns to breathe you out of my story, but it gets blurry in between. Love and obsession caught in the wreckage. We hit a dead end, our feet down, we're swimming. You will make sure we sink it in a deep end.
So the first one was an Anker Soundcore Motion Plus, and this thing was very easy to take apart and offered some really high quality drivers. We have some amazing sounding 5.5 cm high exclusion midwoofers with plenty of venting, and a pair of equally amazing 2.5 cm silk dome tweeters. Let's move to the second one, which has to be some kind of Amazon product.
Dark, you keep trying to hide the scars, but I don't need you anymore. That's the best part. In between.
I was really surprised to get an Echo Dot 4, and let me tell you that this thing is truly amazing. It's a self-contained sealed speaker enclosure connected by pressing it against the main PCB. The driver has JBL Atlas vibes with this transparent basket, plenty of venting, and an overall insane build quality. This one has an aluminum cone just like the Echo Dot 3 driver that I still need to get. I destroyed the stock connectors and ran wires straight to the driver using the stock cable. And I now have a fully passive Echo Dot 4 speaker enclosure. So the last one was a second generation Amazon Echo. As you can see, the woofer is actually self-contained, so I ended up keeping the entire thing, even though it's not that impressive. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will test those, of course, maybe in short or maybe in a true video, I'm not sure yet. Meanwhile, don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we will see us in the next one.